Day, I got you a carrot and you a lemon. Happy Valentine's Day, I got you these awesome slimes. Welcome to CraftyGirls. Today we're making 14 of the cutest gifts and slimes for Valentine's Day. They are so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so much fun. If you're new to our channel, I'm Annelise. I'm Julia.
And I'm Rachel. They're fraternal twins and I'm their older sister.
If you like what you see here, remember to hit that subscribe button, click the thumbs up,
and turn on notifications to become part of our
CG family. Now on to the video. We're gonna show you how to make this yummy mint chocolate chip soft serve slime. It is so cute and it was just so meant to be. And this creamy butter slime, definitely one of my favorites.
And I'm going to show you how to color the perfect ocean slime. We promise your friends are going to love these Valentine's Day gifts.
By the way, at the end of this video, we will be giving shout outs to some CG family members.
If you'd like a shout out in a future video, remember to subscribe, turn on notifications, and put CG family somewhere in your comment down below.
Let's get started!
Before we make these slimes, we want to show you some of the fun Valentines that we came up with.
This is a gorgeous clear berry colored slime, and we hung some berry gummies on it. And on the side we have a tag that says, "Have a very good Valentine's Day." How about this frozen slime that we made a while back? On the front we put a tag that said, "You make me melt, Valentine." Get it? Because it's frozen slime. Look how beautiful this slime is. We made this in our Disney Slimes video. We'll leave a link to that down below. Look how glittery and beautiful.
This is a gorgeous glitter slime, and we just put a lid on it that said, "You sparkle, Valentine."
I actually made that in our last challenge. Isn't that funny? We took this beautiful orange slime and put a tag on it that said, "Orange, you gonna be my Valentine?"
So cute.
And look at this beautiful slime. So perfect. So here we have this beautiful fruit salad slime, and on the side we put a tag that said, "I pick you, Valentine." You know, like when you pick a fruit and eat it. For this one, we found these fun Valentine-shaped googly eyes at the dollar store, and we put them inside the slime, and on the front it says, "I've got my eye on you, Valentine." I made this one in our last challenge. Look how pretty. Do you hear that? It's so full of glitter that whenever you squeeze it, it almost sounds like there's like a whole bunch of styrofoam beads in it. So this is just a simple clear green slime, and we put a frog toy in there. And then we have these frog gummies that we put in a little bag and taped on the top. You are totally awesome, Valentine. Get it? Totally awesome. Look at that frog. He looks so cute in there. Whoa.
This one says, "Hugs and Hisses, Valentine." And when you open it up, there's a little plastic snake inside. I know some boys who would love this.
This is our CG flower slime. How cute is this, you guys? We're going to leave a link below for how to make these flowers. Gorgeous, right? And you do not have to do anything fancy. A simple pink slime or this red glossy one with the lid that says, "Be my Valentine slime" is perfect. This one is so glossy, it reminds me of nail polish. Look how glossy. And this one It's just a simple pink fluffy slime. The first thing we're gonna do is make this amazing mint soft serve slime. We're going to add some white glue, some cornstarch, a pinch of baking soda, and some shaving cream. Now for our color. We're going to add 3 drops of yellow, 6 drops of green, and 1 drop of blue. What is it making? Green. You have to twirl the bowl as well, or it doesn't come out the way you want it to. If you do this at home, your mother may get very upset with you. This is how it looks now. It is so incredibly beautiful. Time for our saline. Wow. It's getting too sticky to stir, so I'm gonna use my hands. I cannot believe how gorgeous and smooth this slime is. If it's too runny, you can add cornstarch after the slime is made. If it's too stiff, you can add lotion to soften it, just like any other slime. Let's make our chocolate chips.
Using brown oven-baked clay, pinch off small chunks and shape them into chocolate chips and bake them according to the clay package instructions.
Now for our card. You can always write it by hand, but if you want to print it,
Just type your saying in a large font, click the center type button so that it's right in the middle, and print. Take your paper and fold it in half vertically. Now we're going to leave it folded and cut a perfect heart. Now glue it into the corner of a cute paper and cut around it. Perfect.
now just put your slime in a cute container and add your chocolate chips. It looks so cute. Add your lid and no Valentine will be able to resist this sweet treat. How cute is that, you guys?
Next is our ocean slime. We made this clear slime and put it in this big flat dish so that it would clear out faster. It was only made yesterday and it's already pretty clear. To make the perfect ocean color, we used a tiny bit of blue food dye on a toothpick. This gives you more control than dripping it in. I love mixing this, it looks so cool. And here is our finished ocean slime. Put it into your container and you're done. Our finished ocean slime looks amazing. For extra sweetness, add a toy fish, some Swedish fish candies, or both. Glad we're in the same school.
Get it like a school of fish?
No! How cool is that, you guys?
And our last one, a creamy butter slime. Add your white glue and a pinch of baking soda. And saline solution. This slime looks great. So now we're going to add our clay. We're using this Inimmo clay. We love this clay. It is so soft and creamy. It is incredible. I'll use about half for my slime because this slime is so little. This slime is so pretty. This slime is so creamy and dreamy. I love it. Your Valentine is going to love this. How cute is this, you guys? So hope you guys love these ideas. Now it's time for shout-outs.
This week's shout-outs go to Cute Sunrise,
Slime Girls Network, Creative Cat,
Sophia Vigorito,
Gretel Martin, and Abigail Halliday. Thank you everyone for being part of our CG family. We love you guys so much.
We hope you like this video.
And we hope it makes your Valentine's Day a huge success. Like the biggest, best success ever. Yeah. No carrots.
No lemons.
If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. We love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.